Now let's understand the concept of composition of ratio. There are different types of composition of ratios that you can find. First one is called as compound ratio. So if I'm writing A by B and I am writing C by D, these two are in ratio, and if I want to write what is the compound ratio of A by B and C by D, you will write it as equal to A multiplied with C, and that should be equal to B multiplied with D. Similarly, if I will take the example, if I'm writing 1 by 2 and there is one more ratio that is given as 3 by 4, if I want to write the compound ratio, I will write it as equal to 1 multiplied with 3 and 2 multiplied with 4. Now let's take one more example. If I'm writing A by B, C by D, E by F are in the ratio that we are having, so the compound ratio that you will write, that is equal to A multiplied with C multiplied with E, and then B multiply with D multiply with. Now if I want to write the duplicate ratio, you will write it as equal to, if I'm writing A by B and again we are writing A by B, these two are duplicate ratio. So the ratio that you will get as the duplicate ratio, that is equal to A square by B square. Let's take one example. So 2 by 3, the duplicate of 2 by 3 is 2 by 3, and the duplicate ratio that you will get, that is equal to 2 square by 3 square. Similarly, you can find the value of triplicate ratio. So if I want to write the triplicate ratio of 2 by 3, you will write 2 multiply with 2 multiply with 2, and again here you will write 3 multiply with 3 multiply with 3, that is equal to 2q by 3q. Now let's understand the concept of subduplicate ratio. If I'm writing the value as A by B as the ratio, so the subduplicate ratio, that can turn out to be root of A and root of B. Let's take one example. So here you will have the value as 4 by 27, and if I want to write the subduplicate ratio of 4 by 27, you will write root of 4 and root of 27. And at last we are having subtriplicate ratio and reciprocal ratio. So if I want to write the subtriplicate ratio of 8 by 27, I will write it as cube root of 8 and cube root of 27. And if I want to write the reciprocal ratio, it is nothing but, if I am writing the ratio of A by B, the reciprocal will become 1 by A is to 1 by B, and I can write the same thing as B by A. If I want to write the ratio of 2 by 3, this will be an example. You will write 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. That will turns out to be 3 is to 2.